In this video, you'll learn how to create an authentication system in Lovable. This guide will take you through each step needed to successfully set up your authentication process, ensuring you understand the interface and actions required. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you should see the Lovable homepage, which features a clean layout with various options available for users. Next, locate and click on the button labeled New. This button is typically found prominently on the homepage. After clicking, you will be directed to a new screen that confirms you are ready to build a new project. A message stating ready to build should appear, indicating that you can proceed with the next steps. After confirming your readiness, look for the option that mentions Lovable's ability to handle complex builds autonomously. Clicking on this option will present you with further instructions regarding the features and capabilities of the platform. This is an important step as it sets the stage for your project. Now, you will need to type in the phrase create an authentication system into the provided input field. This action is essential as it tells Lovable what you intend to build. Once you enter the phrase, a prompt should appear indicating that the system is reviewing authentication requirements and data sources. Following that, you will explore various authentication components and data flows. This phase is crucial as it helps you understand how different parts of your authentication system will interact. You should see visual representations of these components, which will guide your building process. Next, you'll begin to design your authentication interface. You can create a sleek, dark-themed analytics authentication inspired by modern aesthetics. This design will include sidebar, navigation, stat cards, charts, and a recent activity table. Ensure you pay attention to the layout and how it aligns with user experience best practices. As you work on your design, focus on incorporating a dark base with cyan or teal accents. Clean typography and subtle borders will enhance the aesthetic appeal. Additionally, smooth transitions will improve the overall user experience. Once satisfied with your design, you can move on to the editing phase. In the editing phase, make any necessary adjustments to your authentication system. This includes refining user interface elements and ensuring that all components work seamlessly together. After completing your edits, you will need to wait for Lovable to generate your app. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your design and the current load on the Lovable servers. During this waiting period, you can monitor the progress through visual indicators that confirm the generation status of your application. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.